In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front drive shaft on your Ford Expedition. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolts for the CV joint. Do the same thing on the front joint. Using a pry bar and a hammer, we're going to separate the CV joint. Do the same thing on the back side. We're going to push the shaft all the way up and make the front joint go above the differential. Then we'll pull our back side out. Before you take it down in the front, you're going to push this back shaft up into the right, and you'll push it back, and that is what will make it be able to come down in the front. I'm going to push the drive shaft towards the rear to begin with. We're going to put the back flange in first. And then slide it forward and it will sit in the front one as well. We're going to take one of our sets of bolts. We're going to put them all through the little bracket. And we're going to get one bolt started. We're going to line it up, thread it in. Now we're going to take a pair of wire cutters and cut the zip tie and pull it out. Just like that. And then we're going to get the other two bolts started. Spin your drive shaft. So you can see the next three holes. We're going to do the same thing. Cut the cable tie, pull it out. The reason we left these cable ties in is because these covers are floating right now. So if we take the cable ties out before we go to put it up, we're going to have to deal with three pieces, lining them up, putting them through, instead of just putting the bolts through the assembly. Once you have all your bolts started, we'll go around and snug them down. We're going to get our bolts started in the back flange. We're going to do this the same as the front. We're going to leave our cable tie on until we have our bolts started. With two bolts started in our back flange, we're going to cut the cable ties out and remove them. With our zip ties off, we're going to continue going around putting all of our bolts in. And then we'll go around and snug them all down. Torque the drive shaft bolts to 41 foot-pounds. You can use a pry bar to hold the studs while you're torquing so that the flange does not move. Do the same thing on the front, torque the bolts to 41 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.